What's going on, guys? Bitcoin GTR checking back in with you. So I know you guys are wondering what's going on with all your 12s, 8s, 10s RC projects. We've got the Infraction we got to check in on. We've got the Limitless. Limitless, I believe, went 92 miles an hour yesterday. And then we've got the Kraton 1/5 scale project that we 12s converted. And I blew up a motor in 5 minutes running it. The hobby shop put another 12s motor in it. I didn't get any footage of it, but they blew up another motor in 5 minutes. So we believe it's the ZTW ESC that is obviously faulty, and it's cooking motors. So we will go ahead and try maybe a 10S setup with the Castle ESC instead of the ZTW. And I'll get the ZTW ESC programmer, and we'll go ahead and get it programmed. But yeah, guys, we're walking right up to my Tobby's right now. We're gonna check in on a couple of the builds, see what's going on. I'll show you guys his Toys Plus store that he also just opened. This is the front of the hobby shop right here. That R8, pretty limited. I might get it though. What's going on, guys? Matthew, you're my favorite man. I don't know. I know. I heard all about it. What's going on, man?
Nothing much.
Checking back in here at my Tobby's, y'all. Look at this beast. I wish this was mine. This is that football players, right? That's pretty dope. I cooked one in 4 and 5 minutes yesterday.
They cooked one in like 2.
Yeah, they cooked it quicker than I cooked it. I was babying it, like just, you know, breaking it in, knowing it's a new motor. And to have Errol call me and say he burnt up a second one. Was he out there and did he witness it? He did it?
He did.
Yeah, this one's pretty cooked, guys. So this is the first 12S motor that we cooked on the 5th scale Kraton. And we think it's because the ZTW ESC is not tuned correctly. We don't have the module. We're out of stock on the modules. So I think the ZTW ESC is still good. We just have to tune it. But it's definitely cooking motors in the meantime. They cooked another one of these last night. Where's the other one? In the back still? Yeah, it does not smell good. It was insane. It was just like boof. And good thing I was basically running with the body off.
Right.
I was running with the body off, but yeah, the hobby shop owner Errol cooked another one yesterday. So
the thing is, the other one doesn't smell like that, so it's not.
Is
cooked.
it still usable? No, probably not usable.
It's probably usable, but it's not.
It's got to be reconditioned.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, checking back in. This is my Losi 5T that we're actually currently in the process of rolling out. I'm pretty sure it's pretty done, but we've got 2 ZTWs, we got 2 TP Power 10S, the big can, big boys in there as well. We've got a lot of the stupid RC brackets, battery trays, ESC holders. We've got the cool little shock covers here. Those are a nice touch. This thing's gonna be a bat out of hell, but just wanted to show you guys. It's pretty much done. Just trying to finish up a couple of the other projects until we cash out on this, because this is a pretty expensive build. But definitely worth it. Should be really fun. Should bring some awesome content to the channel, and we'll show you guys more pretty soon.
What you plug into the ESC?
Oh, you plug this into the ESC? Okay, cool. Does it come with it?
No, it does not.
Doesn't come with it.
But basically, your program setup looks like all this.
Okay.
To go in and do
all these cool
troubleshooting and all that.
Cool.
We'll show you all the information, but
Okay.
there's other options where you can actually do the same thing through your phone.
Okay, I want to do all that. I want to be sure that and I want to be able to set some limiters to where it doesn't. Well, okay, so I'm looking at all the MGM ESCs and the combos. They say if you buy the MGM ESCs now, they'll get them to you within 3 to 4 days. They're all in stock of all the MGM combos. The 3080 motor, are you familiar with putting on MGM motors than the 3080 motors?
Never done it before.
But they're a different
I've heard good
connector?
things about EMG.
Do you think you want to try? Do you want to try with the MGMs? We can go ahead and. Well, I mean, if we do the MGMs, I'm gonna probably order 3 combos, so we can do MGM across the platform.
Oh, it runs great.
What motor is in this?
Technically, one motor down.
One motor down. Okay.
But you can see the gearing I'm running in it. It's never been an issue. That's damn near 1-to-1.
That's pretty 1-to-1. What do you anticipate we doing with the Kraton 5th scale gearing wise now? Stay with 27 tooth, or go up?
That's maxed out.
What's maxed
All
out?
the way over to the max from 27, without cutting the motor mount and sliding it over to the bearing tip.
Well, is that what people are doing right now, or is it max 27's maxed
I think
out?
they're doing it right now.
They're not doing it right now. All right, so we're gonna stick with 27 and see what happens, huh?
Unless somebody actually came up with an aftermarket motor mount already.
I don't think I've seen one. I've been looking. This is another one of Matthew's builds here at My Hobbies. Matthew here has built another Limitless here. This is equipped with a 2200 kV TP power motor, geared out with something crazy. Look, was it at 32 tooth or 31 tooth? 37. I think we have a 37 tooth on there. We have got the Futaba GPS transmitter. We've got a ProTech RC servo in there. We've got the Castle XLX Mamba ESC. And yeah, take a look here, guys. This thing is freaking awesome. We've got another one of Matthew's awesome painted bodies right here as well. This looks awesome.
Here's one of my builds before they copied me.
One of your builds before they, and who's they? Who's they?
Arrma.
Arrma? No way. That's one of your builds before. What? Where has this been all my life, Matthew?
That is a Typhoon and a Teleon crossbred having sex, more or less.
All right.
Teleon chassis, Teleon dog bones in the middle,
Okay.
but all Typhoon drivetrain.
All right. So is it for sale?
Customer hasn't came and picked it up yet, so you might be able to talk Earl out of it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait. I think he talked about this guy not coming, but he did. Okay, so Arrow told me that he would let me buy it, right? And then the guy came in and put $300 on it, right? And then gave him another month or two, and he defaulted again, right? Is that the same?
I believe so. You'll have to ask him again.
Yeah, I think this is the same
But
car.
This is set up 1-to-1 spool, GP power 22.
Well, unfortunately, people that build RC cars at hobby shops and don't come and pay for them all the way, they get repoed by people like me.
Right.
And I put them to good use. There's no way that I can let this beauty stay in here.
Brand new. Never
Look
touched
at
the ground.
this. Look at this, guys. People building RC cars here in hobby shops and not coming to pick them up. Shame on you guys. Shame on you. But I will buy that, and we will have fun with it. Go ahead and tell Earl I want to go ahead and put a deposit on that beast. I think he owes like what, 900 into this or something.
I have to look at the bill.
Hopefully it's not more than 900.
It's up here.
Well, because Earl said he only wants what he doesn't have on it
What
yet.
the bill was.
Yeah. See what's up. But here is the Losi 5T that I've been, posting on Facebook, guys. It's got the dual 10S motors in there, TP power with the dual ZTW 300 Beast Amp Pro ESCs in there. And
Yeah, 1121.
he owes 1121 on this repo here. But is that 1121 minus 300 he already gave, or it's still 1121? Okay.
And the body that I would run on it.
What kind of body are you gonna do on it, Matthew? Is that a truck body? Yo, that's sick as shit, dude. Yo, can you make it look like my white truck? Can you make it look like my Ford F-150?
With a bulldog body, so it was sitting nice and low and narrow.
Can you make it look like my white truck? Go all white. Can you basically copy
It's
this?
way down here.
So
Nice
low?
and low.
Nice and low. Wow. And it's gonna have a nice fat wing on it too, right?
Well,
Oh,
this
yeah.
is a high downforce stabilized body for racing.
Oh, sweet. So are you gonna
It's got
take
a lot
this?
of downforce
Are you gonna
on the
take this
front.
off? Would you take it off?
No, there's
leave
body
that-
bolts right there.
Oh, wow, Matthew.
And the front of the body will actually be right about there.
Okay. Sounds like we
Two
might.
body posts are right there.
And you think this does have ABC or no ABC?
Essentially, what it is, take the Teleon body off.
All right. So basically, you got this. Cool. So you got this and this mixed together, right? That's what I think I wanted to build at one point. Oh, sick! There you go.
That's essentially what it looks
That's what it looks like? Oh, that's ill, dude. That's ill, dude.
Low and narrow.
Bro, that's sick, man. So what, is that the same plastic body right here? Or no?
This is a little,
this is a little different.
more downforce.
A little more downforce, yeah, I see that.
But essentially, that's what it would look like. Narrow and what?
I think I want it. I think I want it. Tell Errol it's a deal. I could put $100 on it now if you want. But yeah, I definitely want that if you can. If you can make it happen. Talk to the man. We'll see what's up. But yeah, sometimes people build RC cars, guys, and it's unfortunate, but you got to know that these things add up. Just the labor, the time, all the little things that you just don't think about, they add up. And unexpected things sometimes happen, I get that, but the hobby shop still put all this money into the car and they need to sell it, so I might buy it. Let me know in the comments below if I should buy it and maybe give it away as a raffle or something.
Well, what makes this really good for drag racing?
Yeah?
Where all the weight sits.
Oh, all the weight sits
Towards the front.
Oh, okay, towards the front, eh?
They don't lift. Full throttle off the line. They stay flat.
They stay nice and flat. Could you put a nice little wheelie bar on it just for the looks?
Doesn't need it.
Doesn't need it. But you know I'm extra. I'm always extra. He's like, I'm not putting a wheelie bar on it if it doesn't need it. Oh, I could have put that back up. Not bad. Alright, so I guess we may go test our new creation here. We're going to go with 8S on a 10S motor with the Castle Mamba XLX ESC. This is Matthew's favorite ESC. The only reason we used the ZTWs was because I was insisting that we go 12S. And of course, you guys see that puff of smoke. Oh my god, oh sh**. Oh. Oh sh**. Oh shit. Alright guys. Oh yeah, it's definitely a lot different, sir. Oh, nice. Okay. It's heavy, Matthew. It's heavy. It's heavy, bro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's nice. Okay. And you can't put another gear on there, huh? All right. Hell yeah. Yeah. Nice. Woo! And we're under voltage.
12S motors that are about a little bit bigger than that coming in.
Yeah.
It's not getting too hot.
That are 1400 kV, which are a lot faster motor, a lot stronger motor.
Yeah.
They're coming in. You ordered, I think, 4 of them.
Oh, we got 1400s coming in.
Yeah, 12S motors.
Oh yeah. I want a couple of those. I think he ordered a lot of them for me.
4070 12S motors coming in too.
4070 12S, but people are like, why would you put a 4070 12S motor on that? They say it's too. It's not enough torque. So all right, guys.
4070s are rated for about 6 or 7 pound cars.
6 to 7 pound cars. This is 4 times that. So.
Yeah.
All right.
Even with the motor that's rated for, I think, 35 or 40 pound cars.
Okay. 35. Okay. All right. It's rated for a 35, 40 pound car.
Big one, like yours.
Yeah.
They're rated for 50 pound cars.
50 pound cars. But how many kV are those in the?
They're 900.
900 kV in the Losi 5Ts motor. What's going on, guys? Checking back in. I'm here at my office right now, but I wanted to show my RC subscribers on my channel that I do have some nitro cars. I don't only just have electric RC cars. I've got some pretty badass nitro powered RC cars as well that are not stock. This right here, this is the Desert Buggy. This basically is the Losi DBXL, and this normally comes with a different body, and it normally doesn't come with the wing. But of course, with the different body conversion here, the body conversion's from the electric DBXL. There's a different body that normally comes on this car that you know, I had to replace because when I want to, of course, just lift the body up, it lifts up on these hinges as long as I pop these out. So let me just show you. Really easy, just pop those out and bring it up. And yeah, like I said, guys, this is my Losi DBXL. I've got the O'Neill Brothers, I believe it's a 7 horsepower motor. Got the additional exhaust pipe on there, the breather, the filter, hot racing parts. I've got some DGI linkages there. I got the hot racing parts in there for you as well. Yeah, one of my favorite RC cars. I went ahead and put the street tires on it, so this is kind of like a street drifting buggy. Pretty fun. Haven't really played with the gearing yet, I don't think. I think it's still stock gearing. And I have the MTXL, also a Losi monster, not stock, guys. I went ahead and got an O'Neill Brothers 7 horsepower motor in that one as well. And yeah, it's a pretty fun little monster truck. But we will feature these on the channel shortly, guys, I promise you. But we're all ready to go. Let's see how she goes. Like I said, we just went ahead and did a crazy gearing adjustment, crazy spool adjustment, and it just should be a bat out of hell. Let me just put it that way. It's got a spool in it, so it keeps all the tires spinning at the same rotation. Like, I just want to do a dig and see what happens. Just a straight dig. It just burns out. Just killed the rear tires on that one. Do it again? All right. Maybe they're warmed up. Full throttle. Nothing but full throttle. Ready, set, go. Woo! That's a shoot straight, mother. That's a no hands straight, as they call it. That's what that spool will do for you, boys. You guys need to go check out my Tobbies if you want your toys to run like this. And I'm talking about no hands straight. No special buttons I'm holding. I'm just nailing the throttle in 3, 2, 1. Gone.